Remember that I do not invest money for my subscribers, right? I do not invest money for my subscribers. Be careful of impersonating accounts and fake accounts. Be careful of people mentioning Telegram, WhatsApp, mirror trading, copy trading, options trading, all of that stuff I do not do, all right? And lastly, do not copy trade me. It's a recipe for disaster. You have to understand how to trade. You have to build the experience, the screen time, all of that in order to be successful. So I'll rotate through. We'll see which one is the one, and we'll go from there. I think I'll watch at 4 stocks here to start. I don't want to be with the back and forth too much. So BGLC, is this the one? We're seeing something here, right? BGLC, is there something here? We got a high of 35. There's a bit of a spread to it. GFAI also kind of showing some potential early. You know what, let's not do this. Both of them pulling back slightly. GFAI though seems like it might be holding up a little bit better, but maybe not. Still early. Watching PSQH as well here. Smaller size. Scratch trade. Well, it's not holding up the best. Okay, GFAI on the other hand though, curling back up. Do not fail. Good. So we got a high point of 85. I'll pull it up when I can. There's a spread. GFAI seems like it's the one. GFAI. Wow. Not the greatest fill there. Not even in the slightest. So we'll be out a little early. Better, but are we going to hold? Tight stops. Probably should give it more of a chance here. But there's a lot of selling coming in. We're still holding though. Well, to the depths it goes. Yeah, A lot of selling coming in. The selling stopped. I'm gonna look to take a position. So it doesn't seem like this one is the stock of the day. Good attempt. Good attempt. Scratch trades. The stock of the day does not, the stock of the day does not do that. So pretty quickly we'll know that this one is not it. Good attempt though to start. Um, how's this cheaper one looking? Not any better. BGLC. BGLC looks dangerous here with the spread. So green 300 or something, I don't know. The red 170. I'm watching the other three. They're not looking any better. So right now just waiting. DWAC. I saw this one. I didn't think. Oh yeah, didn't think it would have been good, but it's this. Maybe this is it. Well, I'm late to the show here. Jeez, this one looks decent. Not gonna jump the gun though. And it is a little higher up here. Hmm. I thought that it was too low on the list and that people might not have been too happy about it. But it is a popular name in the stock, right? Pretty popular company. Low of 1910 or 1850 rather. 1820. Hmm. Okay. Talk to me nicely. Time? What time is it? 37? The cheaper stock is moving up to high of 36, 92. Fair fill. Kind of hype, but fair. I bought late. This could be good. FRTX 69, 60. Do not Titanic. Good. Reducing risk. 44. Not bad. To the depths. Lower average. Moment of truth. Up or down. Talk the relentless trader nicely here today. This should be a good trade if it works. I'm not going to be ultra aggressive. Mm. Stopped out too soon. But now that I'm looking at the 5 minute candlestick, there's a pretty big wick. This could make it tricky. I usually actually, yeah, I'm too tunnel vision. I don't usually take this trade under that type of candlestick. Now that I'm looking out, so it might just fail, but we'll see if it curls back up. The 1 minute chart does look good though, but the 5 minute chart doesn't look so good. So there might be more short sellers here than I would have anticipated. FRTX right back down, so no good. PSQH, I do like that we have a bottom there. So it's still curling. Okay. So it's going to get back to highs, which means there might be some scalp trades coming. A 1 cent breakout, okay. Mm, 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 mm. Pastor is chopped out. Actually, let's wait. This might be too early. Okay. Try again. I'll reject it again. Okay, there we go. That's good. Five day. Maybe not. Wait, was that not like a good trade? What's happening here? Low 70, 60, 50, 30, 40, 20. Not good. Too much of a pullback. Wait, I need to see my fill on that last trade. What was this? 15 in at 1918. Oh my gosh, I got filled high. That's why I didn't make anything, because I thought I would have been back flat after that trade. It's all good. So if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Right now, I think I'm down like 300 bucks or something. Yeah, we're down a scratch trade. But we'll see if something good comes along. A lot of chop so far. GFAI, a little disappointed in that one. So I like that this stock is holding 22 again. So whilst it was a very sharp pullback, it held up those lows. I didn't trust it to buy down there, but at least this will provide some potential scalp opportunities again if the stock is strong. I'd love to see a new high of day for a potential halt at 2059. GFAI to the depths, PSQH, not much. RTX also not much. It's tricky. I don't need to be too red either, so I got to be careful here. I don't want a big hole. Like being down 6, 7, 800 is not going to be good. So you got to be careful. Yeah, no high day push. Small size. So it got up to 33. So I'll wait this time. If it's good, there'll be an opportunity. That doesn't look so good though. Low, 59. Are we gonna go back down to 22? It makes it so tricky because the range is so big. So far it's lingering. Do I want to give it a shot? Do not fail me. Nonsense. There's a bid there, that's why I did that, but it's not gonna go. Still watching. Waiting. There's a spread. Waiting. There's another bid. What? Alright, okay. I'm not gonna be that aggressive. The bids are not like the stock is not reacting to the bids. It's pretty big. It's a lot of buying, but I guess maybe because of the caliber of this stock, again, it's kind of, a little famous. So maybe we need much bigger bids to influence it some more. I think it's just too much risk to take on if we're not going to get that immediate boost. It's also good that I'm not at like 2,000 shares because then I'll buy 3, 4 times and just, if it flushes down, saying hello to a 8K red day immediately. So there's a lot of risk. 60 by 68. Waiting patiently. Low 56. Bit of a bounce. 95. How's the other one doing? GFAI. It's curling back up. Okay. Come on, come on. We need to get through 36 here, but it's like there's still resistance. And see how aggressive it's coming back down here. So are we gonna flush out? I'm switching gears to GFAI. Currently at 240 right at VWAP. See how this one wants to do. If the other one, if DWAC gets over 36 and holds above 36, then I think I'll get involved. Time to go full size here on this other one. Oh, 55, 51. I'll switch to it when I can. 55 by 56. A pullback could be good. 61. A pullback could be good. Do not fail. That's all I'll ask here of the stock. Good. I didn't go heavy, in case it does. But that's pretty good. I'll re-average. Do not go to the depths. Reducing risk. It's lingering. I don't know. I can get back in if I have to. 37, 36, 33. To the depths. And these are some great trades too. Do I want to try it again? Probably not. So I'll keep waiting until I see something a little bit better here. 38. Low was 33. VWAP was 42. A good thing I re-averaged too, because geez. The other one is still at 30. There's 35. Can we get through? Okay, 40. 49. Well, I can't watch both. I'll have to choose one. Take me to the moon. Taking me to the depths. Well, $200 loss there. That's the trade I wanted. Can't complain about it. Yeah, I think I'm in a size down at this point. It's nothing is working. If I continue this rate, I'm gonna be like deeper in the red. And then it's right back up. Yeah, very peculiar. How much am I down? I need to know. Let's see. 600. Yeah. Yep, I gotta slow down. So GFAI, okay, we've curled back up after a very deep pullback. Start with small size, just 1,000 shares. But then you see up at 60, right back down to 30, right? Maybe I shut it down right now. Maybe I shut it down and just call it a scratch week. Because, I mean, look at that. From looking decent to then terrible again. Which is pretty accurate for what we've been seeing. The WAC high of 1960, back down to 19. We're not getting the good follow through. So there's 1997. Can we hold up this time? Push through 20. Jeez. There's a few sellers here. Very good trades here today. Just no follow through. Sellers getting bought up. Can we push through? 14,000 shares sitting there. The biggest seller. If I take like two more losses, I think I'm done. So I'm gonna come down to just 300. Hopefully we can at least just connect on something. That's the main thing here. Good. Good fill. All right, that's what we want to see. Connect, connecting. No. Oh, okay. Very delayed, but all right. 13. 45. All right, this is good. This is good. Just being patient for opportunities now at this point, and got to be careful of the spreads as well. Is this where the day starts for real? Is this it? Seems to be a good amount of buying. Yeah. All right, let's see that continuation. I'm gonna size up. Was there sellers at 60 or something? What's up? I don't mind taking it. Good. Look, so delayed. Yeah, like where's the boost here? You know, it's like 21 for expensive stock. You know, it's kind of heavy. Trying to jump with some ankle weights. So we got 20, 80, 83, 87, 21. Oh no, well, yeah, a good fill. Can we hold? To the moon, to the moon, to the moon. Oh man, it's so delayed. Okay, well this is good though. Might need a pullback. It took long enough, right? All right. I'll probably have to size up some more, but I'll wait on that to the other one is back up too, GFAI. Maybe it might just be a good day after all. Oh my gosh. Oh, ay. That was a sudden breakout. It missed it. 22. To the hold level, come on. I think it is. Okay, 50, 22, 59. It's just much more delayed than I'm used to, and not looking to hold it super long on these breakouts. All right, looks like we'll get locked in. Maybe this does provide some opportunity. Switching gears though to GFAI again. Hopefully can hold up this time and not collapse. All right, there's something. GFAI, there's something. Maybe some sympathy. Sympathy momentum, right? The bulls are getting aggressive. The bulls are finally waking up after some hibernation. So waiting patiently, GFAI. Oh, shit, I gotta size up. Jeez, my share size. I'm still stuck at 500 shares. Not good. 77. High of days at 95. Oh, there's a wall here. That was so late. I'll pull it on the screen when I can. It's active right now. Can't take my hands off the buy button. It's like there's a mosquito in here or something again, man. What's going on? 77. Low, high 68. Over 80 might give us a push to Hive to GFAI. There's sellers here though. Oh, okay. Come on. Hold. Can we hold? I think this is it. Come on. Where are those bulls? Oh, there's a wall here. 95. There's a wall. At least I got back small green, which is not great though because of how much it's moved. We should have been big green, but we'll take what we have. Fight our way back. 89. I need to be careful here. I'm gonna let it go, and if it's strong, I'll hit it hard. Good. Great. Well, I didn't hit it. Should have hit it harder. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We might need to pull back. Easing off. Well, it's holding for now. I should have took break of 95. I thought it might have needed more time to consolidate. I missed that 30-cent move, man. No. The day has started. So we have 45 for highs. Being patient. High or low. Are we ready? Oh, maybe not yet. A little tricky here. We do have a red candle. The time for resumption. Oh, shoots. 16. Might need more. Or maybe not. I don't know. It's okay. 3. The resumption is at 3 and 26 seconds, so less than a minute. Yeah. I'm not comfortable with that, so I'll be back out. Man, I swear there's like a, well, let me not say that, but I think there's like a mosquito in here. So here we go. We're seeing some more volume here to the upside. We're gonna get a test. 40 more. Can we see more buyers? There's a hidden seller there. How many shares are they selling, I wonder? Can we get through? There's a resumption. I'm gonna miss it. Well, that doesn't look great. Sticking to this stock for now. Well, it's holding up. The resumption is holding up. DWAC. Waiting. I might hit this hard here if I can, if it gives a good entry. Jeez. Are we good for that seller? Are we good? Watching for new highs. Can we see it? It seems like there's a it it seems like there's a wall here. I don't think it's that big though, but watching. I'll try again at the level. Where are those bulls? Take us to the moon as the sharks are getting covered. 41 by 43. Ooh, oh my gosh. Damn. Damn, that was not good. Well, I'll take that. Take that with my chest. Holy smoke. A lot of people probably lost money there. Jeez. You know what? Let's switch gears. Let's not get distracted. Holy smokes. I think that'll be my biggest loss. 23, 92. There might be another halt. Let's size down. 23.92. 23.90. We gotta be careful of this stock failing too. 62, 55. Okay, not bad. Can we hold? Okay, to the moon. Holy smokes. I have small size here, but still pretty good. The halt is at 25.01. We should, I think we'll see it. There it is. We'll get locked in. False halt. Son of a gun, that stock, man. You gotta take it with your chest, smile, move forward. I don't think I could have saved myself because I wanted that dip. I wanted that dip. Good thing I didn't take 5,000 shares though. Anybody took that dip, there's no chance to sell. You have to just take a loss. So GWAC, it's not getting locked in, but it's holding high. But I'm trying to be careful of pullback here. Halt level is just getting, it's chasing down the halt level. Kind of hard to get it involved here. It's just too much risk. Big buyers down there. But do I want to take it off that level? Yeah, probably not, right? So let's give this a chance to pull back here. It's like so extended. Low. Oh, come on. 51. Come on, talk to Relentless Trader nicely here today. Hmm. You don't always get what you want. But be patient though, and not break rules. If I have another big loss, I'll be done. If this fails, let's cut it. Let's re-average. Okay, good. Good, great fill. Now, if we can get a good trade here, this will be good. And can you believe the other stock is back at high of day? Isn't that ridiculous? So great re-average here. We'll look to hold this to highs, of course. Let's see how well it does. Do I hear the moon whispering in my ears here today, despite that big nonsense of a loss? So as you guys see, you know, even everybody will take their fair share of a beating at times, but you just have to react, you know, just do what is necessary to ensure success always. So you smile, you take the loss, you move forward. It's not personal. It never was and it never will be. So a potential dip at 24. I'm still watching to see if we can make the new high. There might even be an opportunity here for higher add. If not, there's a lot of bids. Do I want to take it here? Good hold. Ooh, kind of high. Kind of high. I'll scalp. Kind of high. That was a good confirmation. Good test of strength. So I'm liking what I'm seeing. And this thing is getting halted up. The other stock, 82. So are we failing here? We might be failing. Okay, I'll trade the resumption if it gets halted. Ay, ay, ay. If we avoid that loss, it's such a good day right now. In terms of just like where we are. Well, I mean, it's still a good day, just, not where we want it to be when it comes to the bread. So I'll switch back. It looks like the WAC might be struggling here. GFAI, there we go. So what type of manipulation is this, right? To sell off like that and then curl back up? There must be something going on here. And being that I missed all the information to this point, kind of, on my heels here. So I'll have to use small size, try and get back a connection, and then, can we at least get back flat? If it keeps going, that'll be good. Would have wanted to see that halt. So there's a bid. Let's see how well it does. Most impressive. 868. High of 82. Do we want highs right away? It might. Or might not. Okay, holding off, waiting. Build up is a little weird here. $75. No. I thought it might have been holding really high there. I was getting ready. So let's wait again. The candles look good, so I mean I can't believe that candle got bought up so well. I mean, what in the world? Like, how strong is this stock, right? Some short-term weakness to then recover super well. So we got a high of 86, a low of 60. What we cannot afford to do is get caught in another flush like that. But other than that, I think we're looking pretty good here. So it held up nicely. Good. It looks like it might want another retest. Sometimes kind of tricky to get a good entry here. Rating 9,886. Higher low, higher low, higher low. But that was already the second time, so waiting. Oh, does it need a bigger pullback? 75, 77. Connected on a few trades, but not quite seeing the push. We are pretty extended, so maybe something to consider in terms of the 5 minute candlesticks. It's been a while since we've had a red candle. It might be that time, but it's still early here, as we just had a new candle that formed. We'll see if this candle here does want to pull back or if it keeps trying. I did have 875 as well as the daily level, right? And the candles are not really closing above that point. Willing to let it go and then take the entries that come afterwards if we're strong. Quite the day today, right? Day trading, ladies and gentlemen. It's like if we're on ESPN here. Some days it's definitely pretty entertaining, right? Definitely more of an entertaining day than yesterday or the day before. So we got sellers here, some short sellers, I presume. Is Raphael here today? I don't like it. I'll be waiting. Uh, some aggressive traders might take it here, but we'll see what it does in the 5 minute. Still think it might be a little extended, but when these stocks are strong, sometimes they don't even pull back. They just keep going. So, oh my gosh. Oh, it's going to hold up again. So are we going to get a test here? Short sellers are afraid right now. It's a little spready. Will we get that monstrous move to the upside here? And shorts covering again? Or Titanic? If I might take it here, well, we'll see. We'll see. It depends. That if it goes, we'll see how strong it is. I don't mind letting it go if it's gonna go, and then taking the trades that follow. Short sellers are afraid here. Let's see what it does. Is this it? That's it. Can we hold? Here we go. Can we see the push? What's up with the volume? They're afraid. I can feel it. I can feel it in my day trading soul. Cover. Come on. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna miss it. Cover, 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 cover. Well, not as much as I would have wanted out of that type of trade. Only 400 bucks for such a good read. Low 09, 01, high 18. There might be more opportunities coming, so being patient. feeling, and I'm not getting great fills all the time here, which is, another story, but one for later. Big bids, big bids. Will we see something? 11. Big seller getting bought up. Bro. Mm. Mm. Stock is driving me nuts. It's like I feel like I should be making more on these trades. Okay. Okay. There's a bid. Okay, it's gonna go. Moon? 70? 80? Not quite. 60. It seems like it's coming. It's just like slower. Okay, there we go. So 68, right? It's coming, but it's a little slower. 76, 80. The halt up's at 97. They're getting squeezed like nobody's business here. 97, 997 for a halt, 997. Will we see it? There's a lot of risk here though. Can't lie. Ton of risk. It's so tricky to buy in some of these areas. I mean, 990. It's all off the screen. It's off the charts, literally. Look at this. Yo, what was that? Like, come on. Why are we taking an eternity to get to fill? This is risky. 21. So maybe I was in a little too high. 24. Oh, that was close. Trying to get in low, but in one tick too high. Okay. Okay, okay. Pretty good. Okay, small trades. Yeah, okay. That was kind of my fault. It's good. It's good. It's good. I can't complain. It's good. I just got to do a little bit better here. So 960, you're 67. Oh, another high fill there. I wonder if I size down if I'll be able to be a little bit more nimble. It seems like a new hive day is brewing though, which could be excellent. I think that's somebody taking profits. Low, 38. time. No, good attempt. Waiting. It might need a retest of the, well, the new candle's already here. Jeez. Yeah, so I need to wait. That was quick. That was a quick 5 minutes. Okay, we're kind of churning here, so we gotta ease off. And we had a wick right there too, so somebody taking big profits here. Are we going to be able to sustain that bit of selling? This is unbelievable, man. If we avoid that drop, which I think was like a $1,600 loss, the day is looking so good. We're up over 2K for sure, or at least close to it. Very close to it. That's the difference with that one big flush. I like that we're holding up here though. Time 26. Good buying there. Good fear fills. Not good there. Short sellers though are still afraid. Take my couple of cents when I get it. 47. People are going to go short again because there's a wick. There's distance between us and Hive Day. People are going to be short 60, 70, 80 with stops over $10. So being that we're still lingering here like this, it's like if this doesn't flush down to like, 9 or 890, 880, they're going to feel uncomfortable. So that right now, short sellers are feeling uncomfortable still. And if it gets close to the highs, some of them are going to, being that this stock has already been this strong, I think they're going to cover again. And we'll probably get another wave. So we'll see. But it depends. If it flushes down here, then maybe it's done, right? And we are on the backside, but we just have to wait and see. Nope. Get me out of there. Yeah, so now they're feeling comfortable. Good attempt. But we'll see. We'll see if the buyers do continue to hold, because that's a part of it too. If people start to say, you know what, I'm going to cut the trade or take profits, then we get the fuel to the downside, right? I can't believe I'm red on a day like this, but I mean, I get it. Down 184. Man, I gotta check that lot. I'm actually curious to see how much I lost, how many cents I lost. I didn't size down because everything was going so well. The stock was moving so good. Good conviction. So it's like our first 5 minute red candle we've had in a long time. So it's like, even though people are short, it could still hold up, right? I mean, but I don't know though. We'll have to see. It could be backside or it could just be a good natural pullback. I don't want to be trying to read the future here, so I'll just be waiting. We are pulling back into previous highs around like 880s, so we'll see. Goodness, man. I just hope that our Discord was not in there with size. I mean, for me, 2,500 shares is, it's not that crazy because I could have easily bought twice or three times, and 5,000 to 7,500 shares is a huge difference. I'd be down 5, 6 grand instantly had I just decided to take that with more size. So that's the risk of trading, right? It's just part of the deal. And had I been down that much, I probably would have just said, that's it. I don't know. I probably would have just said, okay, Monday again, instead of just, So we got a low of 71, and we'll see what it does. Again, some bulls might like this. If it continues to look good, I like it too. So the shorts are still not really out of the woods. I like that it's pushing up here, but being patient. So we got 71, and now bounce back to 97, 98. All my safe fails. Is that what they call it? Safe fails, safety measures, whatever the word is, could not have prevented uh, that type of drop. It's like we're managing risk to the best of our abilities. So this is good. This is a bigger push than I would have expected. So it makes me think it wants to just curl right back up. So I'm gonna get ready for some scalps. So it's the type of 5 minute pullback that did not linger at the lows. Sometimes we'll consolidate down there for a few minutes. This one is just right back up the next minute. So if anybody was aggressive at 980, here's a nice 30, 40 cent win. Just like that. We are seeing buyers here too. And I get a little bit more scalpy as it goes. Fair fill. Fair fill. Will we continue? Watch this. Watch this. Can we hold this? Can this hold? If this holds, or if this holds, if this holds, they're under pressure. If this holds, they're under pressure. 30, 30, 33, high 49. Could get some better fills though. High was what? 650? I mean, I think it looks good. What's the low? It just depends on how low it's gonna go. Minute 20. Time 33. I'll re-average if I have to, if I need to. I will. I will. Let's see. Okay. Ten, 6. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Okay. You got to make sure it's not failing, right? Just that's the main thing for me here. 4, 2. Still not seeing a bounce. I don't want to take too many attempts here. It's not going to be good. Dot 10. This is kind of too many attempts for this type of trade. Yeah, I'll let it be. What I don't like, I'm getting awful fills because what I'm noticing is that once there's a big move that goes up and I get like mentally where I think I'm getting in, it's like I look back at the end of the sequence, my P&L has moved down $100 versus scratch trades like this. I lose 200, 300. All right, I'll keep waiting here. Maybe we do get the 5 minute candle to make the new high eventually. But yet again, it makes sense. I mean, we came from 870 to 950, 80-cent move without a pullback. So the pullback from 50 to 20 might not have been enough. So 50 to 9, that's how you can avoid taking that many attempts by doing better analysis and being more patient for a lower entry. That's more reasonable compared to the move we had. But yeah,